Hey everyone, this is Andrew Tsai and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run the classic game Theme Hospital on the M1 Apple Silicon Mac using an open source engine called CorsixTH. So this is an open source re-implementation of the entire game engine of Theme Hospital, and the way that this works is that a community has developed this new engine in order to offer better compatibility, for example higher resolution, and this is going to run better on the M1 Apple Silicon Mac. So I'm going to show you how to do this now. If you haven't subscribed already, then please consider scrolling down and pressing the subscribe button. This will help you keep up to date with the latest Mac gaming news. It only takes a moment, but it really helps to support the channel and the work that I do. So I'll leave a link in the description for this website, CorsixTH.com. So the first thing that we need to do is to download the new engine. So I'm going to click on download now, and then we're going to find the Windows and macOS release. So I'm recording this on my MacBook Pro with the M1 Max chip, so we're going to need the DMG file here. So once we get to this section, we're going to click on the DMG, and this is the Mac installer basically. So I'm going to click on this, and then this is going to download that. So next thing we're going to need are the original Theme Hospital files. So the CorsixTH is simply the game engine recreation, whereas we actually need the data files. For example, we're going to need the sound, the music, the levels, etc. All of that is copyrighted data. So what I do recommend that you do is to buy the game from GOG.com. So they offer a DRM-free version of this game, and I'm going to leave a link in the description. It's an affiliate link. If you do make a purchase through that link, then you'll be helping to support this channel and the work that I do. So basically, once this game is on your account, what you can do is to search for it in your library, and then we're going to expand this here, and we can download the offline game installer. So I'm just going to download this now. It's very small, it's only 164 megabytes in size. That entire game fit in quite a small amount of space. So when we download the Mac port of Theme Hospital, this comes as a PKG file. So what I'm going to do is double click on here, and this is giving a gatekeeper error. What I need to do now is to go to the system preferences, go to the security tab, go to the security section, and click on general, and then I'm going to click open anyway. Here I'm going to press open. This is going to go through the installer. Continue, and then agree, install, type in your password, press OK. Then it's asking us to choose a location. This is just where the application is going to go. I'm going to put it in my applications folder, press close, then keep. Then in our applications folder, we're going to have the Theme Hospital file here. So you could actually just run this game, and it's going to run the kind of lower resolution version of the game using DOSBox. So this is not going to be the high resolution version that we necessarily want to use, but we're going to use the data extracted from here. If you wanted the kind of original experience, then you can continue using this. However, what I'm going to do is to extract the data out of this. Then we're going to control click on Theme Hospital, click Show Package Contents. We're going to go to Contents, and then Resources, and then Game. And so this is the folder that we want to make a copy of and move out of the way of this so we can extract it into CorsixTH. So basically what I do is I'm going to drag this to my desktop, press the Option key to make a copy, and I've got that game data file there. So next thing I'm going to do is to open up CorsixTH. So this is the new open source engine. I'm going to move it into my Applications folder. And now I'm going to open up CorsixTH and just set that up for us. So I'll double click on this. And if it can't be opened, I'll control click on the application, click open. And then we're going to click open again. Press OK. And basically what we need to do is to find that game folder again. So this is currently on my desktop, but you can move it somewhere else if you like. I'm just going to find my user. Press OK here, press OK. And then we're going to locate our desktop. And then this is the game folder that we have here that's on the desktop. So I'm going to press OK. So here I'm going to press OK on this game folder here. And now the CorsixTH has found the game data that we need. So I'm just going to change some settings just to demonstrate that this is going to be a much better experience than the original Theme Hospital. So instead of the original 4:3 resolution, we can go ahead and change any custom resolution that we want. So I'm recording in 1080p at a 16:9 resolution. So I can just tweak this to that, and I can change this to full screen. And if I go back now, then I can start a new campaign. I'm just going to press start now. And you can see that it's got a much higher resolution than the original game ever did. And you can fit a lot more on the screen. So you could theoretically have the entire map pretty much working On here, we've got this like cool mouse scrolling resolution working like that. So if you don't have access to the GOG version of Theme Hospital or the Mac port, then what you can simply do is to find a Theme Hospital CD or ISO. As long as we have the original files and folders all included in this file here, then we can simply point CorsixTH at this file, and then we'll be able to play this through CorsixTH on the new open source engine. So CorsixTH is running as an Intel application, so we're using Rosetta 2 in order to run this game on the M1 Apple Silicon Mac. However, this game is not particularly demanding. It's all 2D pixel art from the 90s, so it's not going to push the computer very hard, even though it's running through this translation layer. Hopefully somebody in the future will build a native ARM version of this. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. I've got lots of other Mac gaming tutorials on my YouTube channel, so please check it out. If you liked the video, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.